Welcome everyone. Every Wednesday we try to learn a little bit from the holy Rebbe Elimelech from Lozhensk and the Sefer Noam Elimelech. This week's parsha is Parshas Chukas. In this week's parsha, in the book of Numbers, it says, "Os Chukas HaTorah." This is the law of the Torah. And the Noam Elimelech says, "O Yeomer." We could explain in another way. Tehine Torah hu marpel kol. The Torah is a total, complete healing to everything. It brings refuah, healing. However, the sages say that it's prohibited to use words of Torah to heal. So which is it? So the concept is as follows. That impact that remains in a person, the holiness that's inside of him through studying Torah, through this a person is able to heal the sick. And this is the meaning, this is the statute, meaning this is the word chok is related to chakika, something that's engraved. That there's something that's engraved into a person's heart and was left over from the Torah. But what way is there that a person could study Torah that there's a leftover residue of holiness? This is the Torah when a man dies in the tent. That if he makes himself like a living martyr and makes self-sacrifice because of his tremendous love and fear of God, when he studies Torah, may the good God make us worthy to learn His Torah in such a way that we're able to heal others. Amen. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment. We'll see you later.